Black Hat Coders.
Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
In our last lesson, we were able to learn about the elements in H1 tags. Something to remember about H1 elements is that they have closing tags. If you can remember from our previous lesson, we changed the elements inside the H1 tag from Hello World to My First Web. In today's lesson, we will learn about the other H tags, which range from H1 to H6, and how they can be applied when creating a website. Each H tag is used to signify the importance of the content inside them. Now let's see how. When it comes to H tags, the lower the number, the higher the importance. With that in mind, let's do some practice that will make you understand much better. Try writing My First Web using all the 6 H tags. Open your online code editor using the link below. After you have opened the code editor, you will need to clear everything first. After you do that, you can start writing your code. Always remember to open and close your tags. After you're done writing your code, click Run and see the results. From the results, you will see the bigger the number, the smaller the font becomes. That is all for today. Click like and subscribe. And if you have any questions concerning the lesson, leave a comment below.